Maitana, and these are my classmates, Carlota, Irati, Luis, and Samuel. And we are going to show you how to cook cod omelette.
The ingredients are 4 eggs, 200 grams of cod, 2 cloves of garlic, parsley, salt, and olive oil, and onion and pepper.
First, you have to dissolve the cod and place it in a big bowl with cold water during 48 hours, changing the water every 4 or 5 times. Then you have to remove the skin by scraping it. Cut up the onion and the pepper. Pour the olive oil in the saucepan and poach the onion and the pepper.
Mix the eggs in a bowl. Add the cod, the onion and the peppers, and with the olive oil drain. Pour in the saucepan 2 teaspoons of oil and pour the mix of the balls in the saucepan. Firstly, cook over a high fire and then over a mid fire.
Turn the omelette, helping with the plate to cook the other side. Do it several times not to get it dry. Serve warm.
Here you are, the cod omelette. We hope you like it. Bon
Bon appétit!